Hey crazy kitties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New Hammer Culture Free ME who loves to play with makeup. You've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is the Magical Sisters Beauty collab that I host every other Thursday along with my beautiful bestie slash sisters, the other magical sisters, Mountain Witch Christine and Lumia Nails. I am so excited to do this. This is our second challenge for this month, and this is the winter snow collab, winter snow challenge. Almost a collab, but you know, it is what it is. But very excited. So I decided to play with Blue Blood from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Haven't used this in a while and decided to use it. So let's get started. So make sure you check out the other girls, Mountain Witch Christine and Lumia Nails, also known as Jessica, who's my besties. They're my besties. So, yeah. Winter snow. It's still winter, which is not my bestie. I don't like winter. I like snow, but I do not like winter. Winter is too cold for me. I'm a dinosaur. I'm a reptile. For jokes. But yes, so very excited to do this challenge. Interesting. So interesting. So we're gonna use the e.l.f. Of course, all of the products I've used in this video will be down below in the description. So I'm actually gonna use the Cookies and Dreams No Budge eyeshadow. One, really like the formula of these, and it's called Chill Zone Relax. So I decided I don't know what I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna go a little bit right here in the inner corner because I'm thinking of just going wherever I'm placing this thing, placing the color, I'm just gonna use this as a way to guide myself because there we go. So we're gonna go into Blue Blood, and I know what perfect shade I'm gonna use Cold. It's nice, beautiful color. And I'm just gonna place it on that color that we used because so it's gonna set it just like that and just make it buff that color. I like this. I love this palette. It's like when Jeffree Star came out with this palette, I was like, yes, that's a perfect blue palette. I want to get his other palettes too. I got his remade a palette. Christine actually gave it to me because she already had the palette. So she just said, let's just give it to you. I'm like, okay. I'm just gonna do the same thing, just set it right there. Go a little bit on that. And we use Mint Tea. Mint Tea is this a light mint color, which I love mint. Love the flavor. I love the smell. I just like mint. Okay, I'm gonna use Mint Tea. Just to buff that color and just into a little bit. I really like that. I'm gonna use collagen. I'm gonna use a flat brush with this, so when I'm gonna go that and just kind of Oh, like I said, I really love this palette. I'm gonna go a little bit right on the top to merge that in together. And I'm gonna use this again and just kind of put that in the corner, not the inner corner, the bottom liner, and just and I'm gonna go a little bit more into the detail. I use ice cold again because I just don't want to do that. I really do like this. So I'm actually gonna leave it just like that, and then I'll be right back with the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really like this look. This is so much fun. I love doing challenges like these because it gets you out of your comfort zone and also seeing what you can do and what you can come up with, and I like that. I'm very excited what the girls are coming up with because I'm very excited about Lumina's nails, Jessica's nails, because she does an amazing job with everything that she does with her nails. It's phenomenal. I think she should have a shop. I personally think she should have a shop or have a business to do nails because she is so talented. I love her. But yes, I hope you do like this video. If you do, make sure to hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. You want to see more challenges like these with the Magical Sisters Beauty collab. And of course, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties family, Crazy Cuties clan, whatever you want to call it. We're drama-free and judgment-free here. We welcome everybody here. And also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know of any new videos I upload. I do go live every Monday and Wednesdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Time and on Fridays at 9 p.m. Eastern Time along with Christy. I am very excited about this coming year. It is 2024 and I'm very excited. But yes, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!